So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the remote of Daikin Inverter AC in very detailed and in simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button in the remote. With this you can turn the AC on and off. After that the next button is the temperature up down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will decrease. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 18 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 31 degrees. If you only want cooling and also want to reduce the electricity bill, then use it in 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel more cooling in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees, do it. And if you are feeling hot at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. The next button after that is power chill. Generally, whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor turns on in 3 minutes, but by pressing the power chill button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you want quick cooling, then you can use the power chill button. In this, the room cools very quickly. The next button after that is fan. This is for the speed of the fan that throws air from the indoor unit. It works in 7 speeds. Now the fan speed is on auto. Now the fan speed is on quiet. Now the fan speed is on low. Now the fan speed is on middle low. Now the fan speed is on middle high. Now the fan speed is on high. Now the fan speed is on super high. You can control the fan speed as per your convenience. If you want to cool the room quickly, set the fan speed to super high. The next button is vertical swing. This button is for the swing in front of the AC. It works in up-down. Using this swing will spread the cooling of the AC in the room quickly. And wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button the swing flap of the AC will stop there, and by pressing this button again the swing flap will start working automatically. The next button is horizontal swing. This button is for the swing inside the AC. It works from right to left. Using this swing will spread the cooling of the AC in the room quickly. And wherever you want to stop the swing, by pressing this button the swing flap of the AC will stop there, and by pressing this button again the swing will start working automatically. After that the next button is mode. The mode button has 3 functions. When you press the mode button, you will see the mode on the remote. Now the mode is in cool. Now the mode is in fan. Now the mode is in dry. Now I will tell you about the modes in detail in very simple words. In cool mode, all the buttons of the AC remote will work, and in this mode the AC will cool. And in cool mode, the AC will cool according to your requirement. The next mode after that is fan mode. In fan mode, the AC will not cool, only the fan of the indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want the cooling of the AC and you only want to use the fan of the AC, then you can use fan mode. The next mode after that is dry. You can use dry in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and there is sticky heat. So using the AC in dry mode removes that humidity. After that, pressing the mode button again will bring the cool mode. The next button is Econo. The Econo mode on the Daikin air conditioner remote controls the power consumption and temperature setting of the air conditioner to save energy, runs the air conditioner at 70% of its capacity and prevents overcooling, and ensures that the air conditioner runs at its recommended temperature setting and limits maximum power consumption. The next button is Coander. The Coander feature of Daikin AC circulates air using the Coander effect and distributes temperature more efficiently. This effect creates a longer airflow by flowing cool air along the ceiling as well as around furniture and obstructions. This helps to cool the entire room. Coander prevents chills. After that the next button is good sleep and display. By pressing the good sleep button the AC becomes silent. The sleep function can be used with a timer of 9 hours, and the use of good sleep button is very good. For example, suppose you have kept the temperature of your AC at any level, then every half an hour the temperature will automatically increase by 0.5 degrees and you will not have trouble sleeping due to excessive cold. If you want to cancel good sleep, then press the cancel button and the good sleep will be cancelled. After that, by long pressing the good sleep and display button, the display of the indoor unit will turn on and the room temperature will start appearing in the display of the indoor unit. After that, by long pressing the good sleep and display button again, the temperature set in the remote of the AC will start appearing. After that, by long pressing the good sleep and display button for the 3rd time, the display will turn off. You can use this button to turn the display of the AC on and off. The next button is timer on. By pressing the timer on button, the timer on time starts blinking. To turn the AC on automatically, we have to first set the time in timer on. In timer on, you can set a timer from 1 hour to 12 hours. Suppose I want my AC to turn on automatically after 3 hours. So now I will set 3 hours with the timer on button on the remote. And the AC will turn on automatically in 3 hours. The next button is timer off. By pressing the timer off button, the timer off time starts blinking. To turn off the AC automatically, we first have to set the time in timer off. Suppose I want my AC to turn off automatically after 7 hours. So now I will set 7 hours with the timer off button of the remote, and the AC will turn off automatically in 7 hours. By pressing the timer button, you can also see the time of timer on and timer off. If you want to cancel the timer, you can cancel the timer by pressing the cancel button. The next button is Dew Clean. The Dew Clean function combats the growth of mold and bacteria on the evaporator coil of the indoor unit by removing excess moisture. This mode starts a special process to remove excess moisture from the indoor unit. This reduces the growth of bacteria and mold. When activated, the AC can run at a specific fan speed and temperature setting to generate more condensate, which is then effectively removed. Improves hygiene by providing fresh air, less odor, inhibiting microbial growth. If you understood the information given by me, then like my video and subscribe to the channel.